Want Adirondack chairs without spending a fortune? Let me show you how to DIY them for $30 a piece using some of my favorite WORKPRO tools. For this project, we're going to be using multiple 2x4 and 1x10 boards. 2 of the 2x4s will be cut at a 20-degree angle, but the rest are just regular cuts. Screenshot this slide for the complete cut list. Start by attaching one of the 19.5-inch 2x4s to the 31.75-inch 2x4 using wood screws and glue. Now we're going to make the final cuts to the 33.25-inch boards. The final cut can be made with a circular saw or a jigsaw. This is going to be the part that the legs balance on. Once those cuts are made, take one of the 33.25-inch boards and attach it 13.75 inches up the short side of the L. Make a mirror copy of this, creating 2 arm and leg sets. Next, drill 1.5-inch pocket holes on both sides of 2 19.5-inch boards. These are the chair's supports. Attach them with pocket screws. It's super important to assemble these chairs on a flat, level surface. My WORKPRO adjustable table is the MVP of this project. Next up, we're going to attach the 22.5-inch 1x10 boards for the seats. Once those are on, attach the 2 32.75-inch back supports to the back of the chair. Finally, you can attach the 3 19.5-inch backboards. Fill all the screw holes with wood filler and then sand the entire chair. I painted our Adirondack chairs with black magic paint, but you could also stain them. Can you believe I was able to build these chairs with just a few WORKPRO tools for only $30 a piece? All that's left to do is sit back and relax.